Are you a manga artist working on your first project, or an anime artist working on a one-of-a-kind original? Whether you're working on a TV show, a movie, a game, a commercial, this video right here is going to show you how to create storyboards. Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Darius Hironori with Hironori's AASFF, where we cover all things action, adventure, sci-fi, and fantasy, whether it's games, manga, anime, novels, etc. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time we upload new videos, so you won't miss out on any new valuable information or tips. So diving right in, how to create storyboards. Starting a video project is already complicated, even after the entire story and the characters are conceived. Most of the works are made from your point of view, whether you do it on purpose or not. So sometimes getting your ideas across to others may be a bit of a problem. This is where storyboards come into play. Professionals use storyboards all the time to show visual presentation of the video step by step. It's all about changes, whether it's a change in the action, location, the characters. That is the moment to add a new box to your storyboard. Let's talk prep work. Before drawing the actual storyboard, first start by organizing your thoughts or thoroughly going through the script. Keep in mind that each square of the storyboard is a different event or action. How the scene changes needs to be thought of as well. This will involve you simplifying the story in distinct sections. Each square on the storyboard will show an exact single shot. That is what represents that change in motion. The shot needs to have the character in the scene, the what, the words that are being said, or the titling of the film. In basic video production, the director learns about shots and cuts. No matter what type of video project, those are elements that you will end up using. How well you use them will depict natural interest in the action occurring on the screen. The clip of the video is called the shot. The cut is the end of the shot. Once you begin to think of these as two separate elements, you will have better thematic control of the video. Now with your shots and cuts in mind and a thorough list of sequential actions, let's start the storyboard. Step 1, prepare the template. Whether you are sketching the storyboard or creating it digitally, first start by creating rectangle boxes. Place them in a row like a comic strip. Make all the squares and rectangles in the ratio that the actual aspect ratio that you'll be shooting the video in. Below the rectangles needs to be a space, that way you can accommodate notes. We'll go over that a little later. You can always look through different storyboard templates online and download one if you want to use that method. Step 2, combine the storyboard with the script. Directly under each box, write any dialogue or line describing the scene that's under the box that goes with it. Understand though that these should be short and not long, detail-oriented notes. Next, add little numbers labeling each storyboard box. Always remember the basics of simply numbering the boxes in your storyboard. That way, when it comes to production time, it can easily be referenced. Even during discussion, a lot of good can come from being able to look up a simple number, especially if the project is a big one. Step 3, now it's time to draw the actions. Perhaps the most fun part of the project is drawing the figures and the settings in the box. Make actions clear with arrows or wavy lines to represent motions. If you're not the best at drawing, and be honest, you can always turn to a drawing software where you can work from a template and easily edit. These drawings need to emphasize the changes between slides. That is the intention of storyboards, capturing the perfect cuts to create a smooth production. Step 4, elaborate the details in the text box. Now, in the space you saved in sequential boxes, make sure you write notes that correspond to what is actually happening. Now, these should be to the point, but they can be any important detail you'd like to share with the team, or something important to remember at a logistical standpoint. A video project would only gain clarity and organization with the completion of a storyboard. Use these tips well in sharing your vision with the team for your project. That way you save a lot of time adjusting and readjusting during mid-production. Also, you save a lot of time for yourself if you're not working with a team. Okay guys, I hope that helped you out with creating your storyboard, whether it's your first time or you just wanted a different aspect or opinion of how to create one. Guys, comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions related to this video, and also comment down below and tell me how you guys go about creating your storyboards. Once again, I'm Darius Hidonori with Hidonori's AASFF, and I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. I'll see you next time.